my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at this 2016 Toyota 4Runner. We put a 3-inch rough country lift on it, some 18x9 fuel couplers in a gloss black finish. It's a 575 is the part number, and some 33x1250 R18 Fury Country Hunter RT tires. They are a 12-ply tire. Now this 3-inch rough country lift kit, it is a piece of cake to install. It is a spacer on the front and a spacer on the rear. The part number is 76630. It also includes rear shocks to help with that added length. On the front there is a strut spacer, however you have to remove your factory top hat of the strut. So make sure you either have a spring strut compressor or you have access to one. A lot of automotive shops will have one, so if you're doing this install at home, make sure you've already arranged to have them disassemble your strut, add the spacer, and put it back together. Otherwise, you'll get stuck in the middle of the build process on your driveway. Besides that, it's relatively simple, especially with the spacer in the rear. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts to make your 4Runner look like this, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we would love to get your parts shipped out today. Also, if you're looking for a 4Runner to buy, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we will post all of the inventory that is currently sitting at dealers' lots ready to be sold. Hopefully you can find the perfect 4Runner just like this and it get delivered to you, or you go buy it today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.